G'day guys, Tom here from Purpose-Built Moto. I just wanted to run you through our latest restock of our ultra popular Scrambler mirrors. So if you want to come in here, a lot of the time we recommend that you mounting them on our lever pivot. So these have the option of lever pivot mounts, bar end mounts. Anywhere that you have an M6 thread, you can mount this mirror. That's what they're designed for. Use them how you like. However, we like them best on a Scrambler when you mount them underneath your handlebar lever pivot. So you've got your brake and clutch with usually an M6 thread, but we hit a little bit of a problem with guys having trouble because they often come with shouldered bolts. Now, our initial kit didn't include a solution for this, but we've just updated it, so now it does. You're gonna come over here, have a look at the new kit. So this is pretty standard. A lot of the more modern levers have a shouldered bolt, so you have an M6 thread with an 8mm outer. What we've done is give you the space that you need. So we measured about 30 or 40 of these common types that we found. We worked out the most common size and made it to suit that. So this slips right over your included bolt. So everything you see here is included with your mirror kit, and then that replicates this. So we'd usually have to make these on our lathe, but now you don't have to do that. Your kit comes with everything you need to get it mounted up. Once you get to this stage, you hit purchase on that website. If you need more instructions, we've got a QR code on the instructions that come in the box and also on the back of the box. So this takes you through to our install video and makes it super easy for you to get our Scrambler mirrors on your motorcycle.